Let us quote some words from the Bible. Matthew 19:13-15. Some people brought children to Jesus for him to place his hands on and to pray for them, but the disciples scolded the people. Jesus said, "Let the children come to me and do not stop them, because the kingdom of heaven belongs to them." He placed his hands on them and then went away. This event illustrates the power and significance of the symbolic seal. At that time Jesus placed his hands on the children's heads and explained that this is the way to God's kingdom. Today we hold the child symbol and realize that we are the children of God and are willing to return to God's presence.
第三报和同义点和同之义和是合成一体，同是相同，合同象征老赐予我们的经印，表示我们以为跟人。我们守抱合同，表示我们要与老合成一体，同老一样，是说与老和灵永不再分开。二点和合同，同和，抱起合同，能闭眼罗。三点左手属善当在外，右手属恶居内边。子亥相掐怀中抱，能脱臼大大节关。四点现在让我们引用圣经之语句，有一些人在孩子们到耶稣跟前求耶稣为他们按手祝福，但是使徒们责备那些人。耶稣说，让孩子们到我这里来，不要阻止他们，因为上帝的国是属于如此的人。耶稣为他们按手祝福，然后离开。从这件事，我们可以了解，它是对合同之一种预言。在那时，耶稣把手按在孩子头上，并说：“须如此，方能返回天国。”如今我们守抱子海觉，并觉悟我们是上帝的儿女，且愿意回返上帝身边。
Chapter 4. Why do the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar before you receive the dowry?